Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a MoShow on the MoShow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the Make a MoShow button at the top of the screen and select pictures and videos from your gallery. Tap on the Add button and after that, if you tap on the first button in the middle of the screen, you are going to see a bunch of filters that you can apply to your video. So tap on the relevant one and here you can see how it looks like. If you tap on the second button, you can crop your video and rotate it into any directions. If you are done with it, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also add a title to your video. You can add the background music. Here you can find a bunch of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is tapping on the relevant one and then it will be added to your video. In the last option, in the settings section, you can select the format of your video or the size of it, and you can also turn on the seamless loop and the fade out music options. If you are done with editing your video, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.